Imagine spending $40,000 on a brand new car. It looks perfect, shiny, flawless, not a single scratch. Now imagine this. That beautiful car was once dipped into a giant chemical bath, sprayed by robots in a sealed chamber, baked at temperatures hotter than your kitchen oven. And here's the crazy part. All of that happens before the seats, before the dashboard, before the steering wheel, before even a single wire is installed. Why? Why would factories paint a car that's basically empty? It sounds backwards, but it's actually one of the smartest engineering decisions in automotive history. Today, I'll take you inside the secret world of car factories and show you why painting comes first, and how skipping this step could ruin the entire vehicle. When we look at cars from brands like Toyota, Ford, or BMW, we imagine the process like this. Build the car, install everything, paint it at the end. That seems logical, right? Finish the structure, then give it a beautiful final coat. But real factories don't work like that. In fact, the painting stage happens when the car is nothing more than a metal skeleton, what the industry calls the body in white. No seats, no carpet, no electronics, no windows, just bare metal. And there's a powerful reason for this. Let's talk about temperature. After painting, cars go into giant ovens for curing. These ovens reach temperatures between 160 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than baking a pizza. Now imagine what would happen if the interior was already installed. Leather seats? Burnt. Plastic dashboard? Warped. Wiring harness? Melted. Infotainment screen? Destroyed. Modern vehicles from companies like Tesla and Mercedes-Benz contain hundreds of electronic components. Electronics and extreme heat do not mix. Painting first protects everything that comes later. If factories reverse the order, they would destroy the car before it even leaves the plant. Here's something most people don't know. Before a car even gets color, it gets dipped into a massive anti-corrosion bath. This process is called electrocoating. The bare metal shell is submerged in a giant tank filled with electrically charged primer. The electricity pulls the coating into every tiny track, seam, and corner. Why is this important? Because rust is a silent killer. Rain, humidity, road salt. Without this invisible protective layer, your car would start corroding from the inside. And this chemical dipping process requires a completely empty metal shell. If seats or electronics were installed, they'd be ruined instantly. Modern paint shops look like something out of a sci-fi movie. Robotic arms spray paint with extreme precision. They rotate the car body. They spray at perfect angles. They apply multiple layers. Primer, base coat, color. Clear coat, protection plus shine. Factories like those operated by Volkswagen or Hyundai Motor Company use dust-free, climate-controlled chambers. Even a single dust particle can ruin a finish. If the interior were installed first, fabric fibers could contaminate the paint. That tiny speck? It could cost thousands in repainting. Painting the empty shell keeps everything sterile and controlled. There's another reason most people miss. When a car is painted before assembly, the entire metal structure is sealed. Every edge, every weld, every hidden seam. If the interior were installed first, many internal metal sections would be impossible to coat properly. That would mean hidden rust, weak spots, long-term durability issues. Car companies design vehicles to last 10 to 20 years. Painting early ensures total coverage. Now let's talk money. Factories are built for efficiency. The painting stage is one of the most expensive parts of car manufacturing. It requires massive energy, advanced filtration systems, robotic precision, strict environmental controls. If a car were fully assembled before painting, every scratch or defect would require disassembling parts. That would slow down production dramatically. Instead, factories paint the shell, inspect it, then move it forward to final assembly. It's faster, cleaner, smarter. This system allows companies like Honda to produce thousands of vehicles daily.